Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic natural language processing. So let's get started. What is the primary difference between stemming and lemmatization? The correct answer is option B. Stemming cuts off the ends of words to find the root, while lemmatization uses morphological analysis to find the dictionary base form. In the skipgram model of Word 2-Vec, what is the primary objective during training? The correct answer is option A. To predict the surrounding context words given a target center word. Which evaluation metric is most commonly used to measure the quality of a machine translation system by comparing it to human references? The correct answer is option C, BELU, Bilingual Evaluation Understudy. What does the I in the BEO tagging scheme for named entity recognition (NER) stand for? The correct answer is option D, inside. Which neural network architecture introduced the attention mechanism to solve the information bottleneck problem in seek-to-seek models? The correct answer is option B, recurrent neural networks, RNN, with encoder-decoder. What is a major advantage of using global vectors for word representation over the original Word 2-Vec implementation? The correct answer is option A. GLOVE leverages global co-occurrence statistics of the entire corpus rather than just local context windows. Which technique is used to handle the out-of-vocabulary (OV) problem by representing words as a sum of their character n-gram embeddings? The correct answer is option C, fast text. In a transformer model, which component allows the model to relate different positions of a single sequence to compute a representation of the sequence? The correct answer is option D, self-attention mechanism. What is the purpose of inverse document frequency (IDF) in the TIF-IDF algorithm? The correct answer is option B. To decrease the weight of words that appear frequently across many documents, highlighting unique terms. Which of these is a generative probabilistic model often used for part-of-speech (PS) tagging that relies on the Markov assumption? The correct answer is option A, hidden Markov model, HMM. What is perplexity a measure of in the context of language modeling? The correct answer is option C. How well a probability distribution or model predicts a sample. Which of the following describes the vanishing gradient problem in standard recurrent neural networks, RNNs? The correct answer is option D. Gradients become extremely small during backpropagation through many time steps, preventing long-term learning. In the context of BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, what does the masked language model, MLM, objective involve? The correct answer is option B, hiding a percentage of input tokens at random and predicting them based on their context. What is the primary function of beam search during the inference phase of a sequence-to-sequence model? The correct answer is option A. To explore multiple likely paths of output sequences to find a more optimal global result than greedy search. Which distance metric is most commonly used to measure the semantic similarity between two word embeddings in a vector space? The correct answer is option C, cosine similarity. What does zero-shot learning refer to in the context of large language models, LLMs? The correct answer is option D. The ability of a model to perform a task without having seen any explicit examples for that specific task during inference. Which component of an LSTM, long short-term memory, cell determines how much of the previous cell state should be discarded? The correct answer is option B, forget gate. What is the main purpose of byte pair encoding BP in modern NLP pipelines? The correct answer is option A. It is a sub-word tokenization method that balances vocabulary size and the ability to handle rare words. In dependency parsing, what is the term for the word that governs or is the parent of another word in a grammatical relationship? The correct answer is option C, head. Which type of ambiguity occurs when a single word like bank can refer to a financial institution or the side of a river? The correct answer is option D, lexical ambiguity. What is the role of the softmax function in the final layer of a text classification neural network? The correct answer is option B. To turn raw logit scores into a probability distribution over the target classes. Which metric is specifically designed to evaluate the quality of text summarization by comparing n-gram overlaps between generated and reference summaries? The correct answer is option A, Rouge, recall-oriented understudy for gisting evaluation. What is the context window in the context of training word embeddings like word2vec? The correct answer is option C. The fixed number of words surrounding a target word used to define its context. In the transformer architecture, what are the three specific vectors derived from the input embedding for the self-attention calculation? The correct answer is option D, query, key value. What is the purpose of Laplace smoothing, add-one smoothing, in a naive Bayes classifier for text? The correct answer is option A. To prevent zero probabilities for words that appear in the test set but not in the training set for a specific class. Which model architecture is autoregressive, meaning it predicts the next token in a sequence based solely on the previous tokens? The correct answer is option B, GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. What is coreference resolution in NLP? The correct answer is option C. The task of finding all expressions that refer to the same entity in a text, e.g., mapping he to John. Which of the following is a significant drawback of one-hot encoding for representing words in NLP? The correct answer is option D. It creates high-dimensional, sparse vectors that do not capture semantic relationships between words. In the cbow continuous bag of words model, what is the input to the neural network? The correct answer is option A. The context word surrounding a target word. Which layer in a transformer model helps the model keep track of the relative or absolute position of words in a sentence, since transformers lack recurrence? The correct answer is option C, positional encoding. Thank you for watching.